Hello students, this is the second equation we are going to balance using the oxidation number method. Okay, there are 5 steps given in your oxidation number method. What is step 1? We have to identify the species which gets reduced and the species which gets oxidized. Okay, here manganese is there, here also manganese. What is the charge of manganese in KMnO4? It is plus 7. Here we can potassium 1, manganese X in 4 oxygens. Charge of 1 oxygen is minus 2. 4 into minus 2 means minus 8 equal to 0. So X minus 7 equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 7. In the reactant side, the charge of manganese is plus 7. In the same way, we can find out the charge of manganese in the product side. Okay, take manganese as X, then 2 oxygens. So 2 into minus 2, which means minus 4. So X minus 4, that is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4. So in the product side, the charge of manganese is plus 4. Okay, here charge is increasing or decreasing? Charge is decreasing from plus 7 to plus 4. Decreasing of charge. So here manganese is reduced. It is the reduced one. Okay, then take sulfur in sodium sulfite. Okay, find the charge of sulfur. 2 sodiums, no? So 2 into 1 means 2 plus sulfur is X. Then 3 oxygens. So 3 into minus 2 means minus 6. So 2 plus X minus 6, that is equal to 0. 2 minus 6 means minus 4. X minus 4, that is equal to 0, so that X equal to plus 4. So in this sodium sulfite molecule, the charge of sulfur is plus 4. Okay, in the similar way, we can find out the charge of sulfur in this sodium sulfate. Okay, 2 sodiums, so 2 into 1, 2, plus sulfur is taken as X. Charge of 1 oxygen is minus 2. 4 into minus 2 means minus 8, that is equal to 0. So 2 minus 8 means that is minus 6. X minus 6 is equal to 0. So X equal to plus 6. The charge of sulfur in the product side is plus 6. So here we have to write plus 6. The charge of sulfur is increased now from plus 4 to plus 6. Increasing of charge. So this process is oxidation. So we can say manganese is reduced whereas sulfur is oxidized. Step 1 we have completed. What is step 1? Identification of the species which gets reduced and the species which gets oxidized. Okay, then step 2. Step 2 in a cross multiplication. Okay, here manganese plus 7, here manganese plus 4. What is the difference in charge? 3. 7 to 4 difference 3. Yeah. So 3 electron. How many manganese atoms? Only 1. So 3 into 1. Then come to this side. Here plus 4 plus 6. Difference is 2. So we have to write 2 electron into number of sulfur 1. So 2 electron into 1. Now we can do the crisscross multiplication. This number is multiplied here, whereas this number is multiplied here. 2 into 1 means 2. So this equation will be converted into 2KMnO4. 2 molecules of potassium permanganate plus 1 into 3 means 3. So 3Na2SO3, which gives MnO2 plus Na2SO4 plus KOH. Then step 3. What is step 3? Balancing the species which gets oxidized and the species which gets reduced. Either we reduce on the species manganese. In the reactant side, 2 manganese atoms, whereas in the product side only 1 is there. So in front of this molecule we have to write 2. Now manganese is balanced. Then come to sulfur. 3 sulfur is the reactant side. Product side only 1 sulfur is there. So what we have to do? In front of this molecule we have to write 3. Now sulfur is also balanced. Okay, then step 1 completed, step 2 completed, step 3 completed. Then step 4, balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen tavara meethi irukra ellathiyum balance pananum. Let us start with potassium. 2 potassium atoms in the reactant side, but product side only 1 potassium. K na potassium. So here we have to write 2. So potassium is balanced. then manganese already we have balanced. Then come to sodium, 3 2s are 6. இந்த பக்கம் 6 sodium இருக்குது. Here also 3 2s are 6. So sodium is also balanced. Then sulfur we have already balanced. Okay, so step 4 is completed. Then step 5 is balancing hydrogen and oxygen. First hydrogen பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா oxygen பண்ணணும். Okay, okay, step number 5, we have to balance the number of hydrogen and oxygens. First hydrogen பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா we can balance the oxygen atoms. Okay, but you got doubt வரும் என்ன அப்படினா reactant side there is no hydrogen, but in the product side there are 2 hydrogens. இதுக்கான reactant side hydrogen இல்ல, ஆனா product side 2 hydrogens இருக்குது. இந்த மாதிரி கேஸ்ல என்ன பண்ணனும்னா reactant side we have to add water molecule. சரியா? இப்போ ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன் வெச்சுக்கோங்க. What is the formula for water? H2O. So இங்க ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன்ஸ் இருக்குது. So we can add one molecule of water in the reactant side. So again write the equation 2KMNO4 plus 3Na2SO3 plus H2O, which gives 2MnO2 plus 3Na2SO4 plus 2KOH. So hydrogen is balanced. இங்கேயும் 2 hydrogens, இங்கேயும் 2 hydrogens. Then come to oxygen. 4 2s are 8 plus இங்க எத்தனை oxygen? Go 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here only one oxygen. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18 oxygens in the reactant side. Come to product side. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 4s are 12. So 4 plus 12 plus get an oxygen, 2 oxygens. So write 2. Then 12 plus 2 14 plus 4 18. So oxygen is already balanced. The reactants are also 18 oxygens. In the products are also 18 oxygens. Okay, so these are the steps employed in the balancing of this equation using oxidation number method. It consists of 5 steps. First step என்ன பண்றோம்? எது ரெடியூஸ் ஆயிருக்குது, எது ஆக்சிடைஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத ஆக்சிடேஷன் நம்பர் மெத்தட் வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். Then step 2 is criss cross multiplication. இங்க என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா சார்ஜ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பார்க்கணும். மேக்னஸ் இந்த சைடுல +7 ல இருக்குது, இந்த பக்கம் +4 ல இருக்குது. So difference between these two is +3. 3 electron difference. So 3 electron. இந்த 1 ஏன் போடுறோம்னா number of manganese atoms. ஒரு manganese இருக்குறதுனால into 1. So 3 into 1. அந்த 3 ஐ கொண்டு இந்த பக்கம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். அதே மாதிரி சல்ஃபர் இந்த பக்கம் +4 னு இருக்குது, இந்த பக்கம் +6. So difference வந்து 2 electron. So 2 electron. எத்தனை சல்ஃபர்? 1 sulfur. So 2 into 1. அந்த 2 வச்சு இங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். We are getting an equation of this type. Then step 3 is balancing the atoms which gets reduced and oxidized. அதாவது மேங்கனீஸையும் சல்ஃபரையும் பேலன்ஸ் பண்றோம். ஸ்டெப் 4 ல oxygen hydrogen தவிர remaining atoms we have to balance. Then finally we have to balance the hydrogen and oxygen. With this concept is over.